If your noise reduction makes you sound like a malfunctioning Bluetooth speaker, you didn't clean your audio, you offended it. Welcome to the Mix Clinic. Today I am going to be telling you how to fix background noise in your audio recordings. Now that we're in Audacity, the first thing you're going to do is highlight a 2 to 5 second chunk from your audio that is just silence and only the background noise. So we'll highlight that, then go up to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction, and click on Get Noise Profile. Once we have that, we're going to click on our track over here so that highlights the whole thing. Then go back up to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and Noise Reduction. Let's talk about this for a second on our step 2. We have noise reduction decibels. Essentially, this is how much it is going to bring down the noise that it detects. Sensitivity we're going to talk about in a second because that's the big one. And then you have your frequency smoothing bands, which is essentially how many bands on either side of it is it going to also dip into. Now let's go up to our sensitivity. If you crank this all the way up, it is going to remove artifacts from your voice because it cannot differentiate what is background noise and what is your voice. So it is best practice to keep this lower. I have found that depending on the volume of your audio, the best setting is somewhere between 1 to 6. For this piece in particular, the best is around the 2.5. So we're going to hit OK on that. Listen to this. Welcome to the Mix Clinic. And it already sounds so much better. Now how do we take this a step further? To do that, we're going to go back up to Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and apply a noise gate. So for the noise gate, essentially you can ignore most of this, keep your attack at around 10, your hold 100 to 130, the rest of it leave as is. Your gate threshold is what's going to be most important. If you set this too high, where parts of your voice go below that threshold, it is going to cut them out. You do not want that. So you may have to play around with this for a second to find that spot that's good for your voice where nothing gets cut out. And there we go. Background noise is good and we just have our voice. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe down below. The next step in our audio chain is equalization, which there is a video for on screen right now. Click that and I'll see you there.